Abangers na naman ang mga fans sa Sinulog Celebrity Night dahil pupunta ang Ekonin doon. Makakasama nga nina Janine at Jericho, sina Sophia Smith at si Isay Kirstine at ang Silent Sanctuary. Gaganapin ngayon sa City Public Plaza 8 p.m. January 19, 2025. Show muna ang Ekonin habang naghahanda sa kanilang bagong serye na The Accused. Mapapasabak na naman si Janine dito dahil intense ang seryeng ito. Basta guys, maganda ang story. Samantala, nagbahagi si Janine ng kanyang mga natutunan sa kanyang mga fight scenes sa seryeng Lavender Fields. Aniya nga ng Asia's Rising Star, our amazing stunt team of Lavender Fields who really taught us everything about fight scenes and help us with everything on set. Sobrang galing ninyo. Thank you for everything you taught us. Salamat sa pasensya at alaga. So much more to learn from you. Thank you sa uulitin. Huhusayan pa. I'm really afraid of guns, but knowing Iris was great at shooting, I forced myself and my friends to go in the shooting range just to get over my fear and learn the basics of gun handling. So thank you to my besties. Ha ha ha. What a journey! And we hope to had fun with our fights. Suntukan and martial arts over Sampalan was such a great fun crazy challenge. So thank you to the best kasuntukan, of course my ate Jody Santa Maria. I love you and thank you. At update din naman tayo kay Jericho Rosales, guys. Parang bata talaga si Eko, kaya talagang hindi tumatanda ang aktor. Kaya nga si Janine, tuwing kasama si Jericho ay talagang tawang-tawa ang actress. So guys, abangan ang Ekonin sa Sinulog Celebrity Nights, January 19 na, 2025.